Hello guys, welcome to my channel All About Products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the revolutionary vegetable washing machine. Your new kitchen essential for a healthier lifestyle. This powerful yet compact device effortlessly removes dirt, pesticides, and bacteria from fruits and vegetables using advanced technology. Simply place your produce in water, power it on, and let it do the work, ensuring cleaner, safer food for you and your family. Easy to use, portable, and highly effective, it's the perfect solution for fresh, worry-free eating every day. Introducing the ultimate Melon Baller Scoop Set, your perfect companion for creative kitchen fun. This versatile kit lets you easily scoop, carve, and slice fruits like melons, kiwis, and more with precision and style. Made with high-quality stainless steel and ergonomic handles, it ensures durability and comfort with every use. Whether you're prepping a fresh fruit salad or crafting beautiful food presentations, this set has you covered. Introducing the Fruit Bowl with Lid Set, the ultimate all-in-one solution for washing, draining, and storing your produce. Designed with a smart three-way storage system, you can close it for freshness, open the air vent for fruits, or seal it tight for vegetables. It's freezer-safe, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-safe, making your kitchen routine easier than ever. Plus, the stack-able design saves space and keeps everything organized. Introducing the water dispenser pump in Cozy Blue, where style meets convenience. With its elegant design and easy setup, enjoy a fast, continuous flow of water with just one touch. It features an auto-off function at 600 milliliters to prevent spills and save energy. Perfect for home, office, or outdoor use, making hydration simple and stylish. Introducing the Meat Tenderizer, the secret to perfectly juicy and flavorful steaks every time. Featuring 2 adjustable options and 48 ultra-sharp needles, it effortlessly breaks down tough meat fibers for faster, more even cooking. Ideal for beef, pork, chicken, and more, it transforms any cut into a tender masterpiece. Easy to use, safe, and built for serious kitchen performance. Keep your eggs fresh and easily accessible with the auto-rolling fridge Egg Organizer. Featuring 4 tiers and a large capacity, simply push the bottom, and the eggs roll forward for effortless access. Upgrade your fridge with smart storage. Grab yours today. Introducing the Multifunctional Rotating Tray, the perfect organizer for any space. With a smooth 360-degree rotation, it makes accessing your essentials quick and easy. Ideal for kitchens, offices, or countertops, it keeps everything neat, stylish, and within reach. Simplify your storage with a spin. Storage. Introducing the bamboo cutting board with 4 collapsible containers, the ultimate prep station for your kitchen. Chop and slide ingredients directly into the container or strainer for easy rinsing and draining. Perfect for prepping, storing, and keeping your workspace clean. It even fits over the edge of your counter for added convenience. Durable, eco-friendly, and designed for effortless efficiency. Introducing the Baby Bottle Drying Rack, the simple space-saving solution for busy parents. Just set it up, load it up with bottles and accessories, and fold it up when you're done. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, it keeps your baby's essentials organized and ready to use. Introducing the Baby Bottle Sterilizer, making clean, safe bottles easier than ever. Simply power it on, place your bottles inside, and press to start to begin the ready cycle. It moves seamlessly through the heat cycle to sterilize, followed by a cool-down cycle for safe handling. Fast, efficient, and reliable, it ensures your baby's bottles are germ-free with minimal effort. A must-have for every modern parent. Introducing the gas stove. Designed for stability, power, and efficiency. Featuring 3 sturdy rings securely tied to the bottom, it ensures even heat distribution and a safer cooking experience. Perfect for all your outdoor adventures or kitchen needs, this stove delivers strong, reliable performance every time. Cook with confidence wherever you are. Built tough for lasting durability and easy transport. Maximize your cabinet space with the Cabinet Caddy Spice Rack Organizer. Designed with a pull and rotate feature, it fits most cabinets with no installation required. No wasted space. Perfect for spices, medicine, cosmetics, and more. Plus, you can link 2 or more together for extra storage. Includes labels and foam inserts for a customized touch. Get organized today. Upgrade your kitchen storage with our glass food storage containers, designed for convenience and a healthy lifestyle. Made from BPA-free materials, these containers feature snap-locking lids that ensure a 100% leak-proof seal, keeping your meals fresh and mess-free. Perfect for meal prep, they are freezer-safe for long-term storage, oven and microwave-safe for easy reheating, and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Available in different sizes, they offer the perfect solution for storing all your favorite foods with safety and durability. Keep your food fresh and organized with our glass jars with bamboo lids, available in 3 sizes. Featuring a premium glass design, wide mouth, and a leak-proof bamboo lid with a silicone sealing ring, these jars ensure freshness every time. Perfect for storing dry goods, snacks, or pantry essentials in style. Simplify your kitchen storage with our rice dispenser, designed for convenience and freshness. Featuring a manual air release valve, it keeps your rice fresh while allowing easy pouring with a simple switch of the valve. The included measuring cup ensures precise portions every time, making meal prep effortless. With an easy installation process and a stylish bamboo frame, this dispenser adds both functionality and elegance to your kitchen. Keep your kitchen organized with a rotating grain dry food dispenser, designed for easy access and storage. Featuring 6 separate grids, it's perfect for storing lentils, rice, beans, and more while keeping them fresh and mess-free. The 360-degree rotatable design allows effortless selection, making meal prep quicker and more convenient. With its transparent body, you can easily monitor contents, ensuring a sleek and functional addition to your kitchen pantry. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.